Tempe High School, history and innovation meet under one roof. And when Clearwing Systems Integration was tasked with upgrading the auditorium, accuracy and foresight were critical. Clearwing partnered with Revit-ready BIM to capture a detailed LiDAR scan of the auditorium and convert it into a fully developed BIM model. From scan to BIM, this process streamlines design and coordination for architects, engineers, and construction professionals, reducing costly surprises in the field. Precision supports the seamless integration of the technical systems that bring performance spaces like this to life. 3D Virtually There helps owners and professionals implement design technology that helps every step of the way. With accurate data, a clear vision, and the right tools, we're helping you build smarter, safer, and with confidence.